everybody. Yesterday I went for shopping. I wanted to buy some biscuits. So the cost of one packet was 56 rupees, right? But then I felt I'll buy one more packet. And then now I want to know what is the total amount I need to pay. Let's see that. Come on. Yes, so what do I have here? Ones and tens. Yes. And I have some manipulatives with me. What was the cost of one packet? 56 rupees. So in 56 rupees, tell me how many tens do I have? I have 5 tens. And what is this? This is 1 10. And I need 5 tens, right? Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens and how many ones? 6 ones. Let's get it. So these are my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the cost of one packet of biscuit is 56 rupees. 5 tens and 6 ones. But I got how many packets? I got 2 packets. So I need to have 56 again. And 56 has 5 tens and 6 ones. And what is this? This is 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and what is this? 1 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So I have 5 tens, 6 ones 2 times because I got 2 packets. Do you remember we discussed in the previous session? We need to always start from ones place. Let's do that. Let's count ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I got 10 ones. What do? I need to bundle it up, right? So, when I bundle it up, what do I have? I have 10 ones. So, I will use this block because I have 10 ones here. So, these 10 ones becomes 1 10 and I'll put it in tens place. And what am I left with? I'm left with 2 ones. Yes. Now, I'll move to tens place and I'll count my tens first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Oh, now what do? I have more than 9 tens. Yes, you are right. I need to have one more place. So what will I do? I'll bundle up my 10 tens. What do I have now here? I have 10 tens. And 10 becomes what? Yes, it becomes 100, right? And can I have this 100 in tens place? I cannot have, you're right. So what will I do? I will have my hundreds place and I'll put it here. So I put my hundreds and what am I left with? I'm left with 110. So the cost of 2 packet of biscuits is 112 rupees. This is the total amount of money I have to pay for 2 packets of biscuit. 112. Yes, okay. But then when I went to pay 112 rupees, I got to know that they are giving me discount. they are giving me the discount of 25 rupees. So I need to deduct it, right? I need to subtract 25 rupees from 112 rupees. And how do I do that? Let's see. Okay, in 25 rupees, how many ones do I have? I have 5 ones. But right now, how many ones do I have? I have only 2 ones. Can I remove 5 ones from 2 ones? I cannot do that. So what do I do? Yes, you are right. In the previous session we discussed, we have to regroup tens place. So I'll regroup this 110. This 110 will become what? 10 ones. Let's do that. Okay. So I have 110 and I am now putting into ones place, so I'll get 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see total how many ones do I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how much discount am I getting? 25 rupees. So I have to remove 5 ones. Let's do that. So I am removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us see how many ones am I remaining with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm left with 7 ones. Okay, now when I talk about 25 rupees of discount, I need to remove 2 tens, right? Yes. Oh, but I don't have any tens. What do I do? That means I have 0 tens. Can I remove 2 tens from 0 tens? I cannot do that, right? So now what do? I use the same strategy. I will regroup my 100. So when I regroup my 100, what do I get? You are right. I get 10 tens. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from these 10 tens, how much am I supposed to remove? 2 tens, right? So I'll remove 2 tens. Now let's see how much am I left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after I get the discount of 25 rupees, how much am I supposed to pay in total? 8 tens. 8 tens gives me 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So after the discount of 25 rupees, in total I have to pay 87 rupees. Okay? So this is how we regroup hundreds. Now you must be wondering, if you don't have these manipulatives, what shall we do? For that I have a strategy. Let's see that. Okay. So suppose you have colorful candies. I would say one green candy represents 100. One orange candy represents 110. And one pink candy represents 1. Now the question is, how do we regroup? Let's see that. Suppose I want to regroup tens place. So I have one candy of orange color. Now what do? This is 110 and I have 10 candies of pink color. So this is also 110, this is also 110. But when I regroup, I will remove this 110 and I'll have 10 ones, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is how I have regrouped 110. So in the similar way, I'll regroup 100. Now what will I have? This is 100. This is also 100 and I'll regroup 1 green candy into 10 orange candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is how we regroup 100 and 110. Thank you. Yes, so as I shared in the story, I went for shopping and I got one packet of biscuit. The cost of that packet is 56 rupees. Let me represent it here. So I have my tens and I have my ones. In 56 rupees, how many tens do I have? 5 tens and 6 ones, right? But then I realized I need one more packet of a biscuit and the cost of that packet is also 56 rupees. So I'll write 5 tens and 6 ones. Now if I want to know the total amount I need to pay to shopkeeper, what do? Yes, I'll add it up. So let me add. Okay. As I shared, where do we start from? We always start from ones place. So what do I have? 6 ones plus 6 ones. So how many ones do I get? Yes, I get 12 ones. So I'll write my 12 here. And can I write this 12 here in ones place? I cannot. So what do? I make a group of 10. So I'll have 10, 110, right? And how much am I left with? 2 ones. So 10 plus 2 makes 12. Can I have this bundle of 10, that is 110 in ones place? No, I cannot have it. Where will I put? I'll put it under tens place. So I'll write it here. Now what do I do with 2 ones? Yes, I'll put it under ones place. And I'll write it under ones. And what is my last step? Yes, I'll count my tens. Let us count. 1 plus 5. What is that? 6. 6 plus 5. What's that? Oh, I got 11. 11 tens. Can I put it under tens place? I cannot do that. What do? Yes, I need to have one more place. And what is that place? You are right. I need to have hundreds place. Let's do that. I'll have, so I have ones place, tens place, and now I will have hundreds place. Okay, so how many tens did I get here? 11, right? And 11 tens. So what do? I have to regroup 10 tens, and what am I left with? 110. Okay, now when I group 10 tens, what is that? Right, that's 100. And can I have it in tens place? I cannot have it. So what do? I put it under hundreds place. Now what is this? 100. And what am I left with? 110. It goes under tens place. And my last step is I'll add hundreds. How much do I have here? 100. So I need to pay 112 rupees in total to the shopkeeper. Oh, but you remember I told you something in the story? When I went to pay to the shopkeeper, what did he tell me? Yes, that he is giving me discount of 25 rupees. So tell me, when I have a discount, what do I do? Do I add 25 rupees or do I deduct it from 112? Yes, discount means I need to deduct it from 112 rupees. So let me quickly erase this because I'll show you how am I doing that. So without discount, what is the total amount do I need to pay? 112, right? So let me quickly write it. 112 rupees. And how much discount am I getting? I'm getting the discount of 25 rupees. So I will deduct it. 25. As mentioned earlier, where do we start from? We always start from ones place. 2 minus 5. Is it possible for me to deduct 5 ones from 2 ones? It's not possible, right? So what do? I regroup tens place. Let's do that. So I have one 10 here. When I regroup it, I won't be left with any tens. So I'll have 0. And when I regroup one 10, what do I get? 10 ones. Yes. So now in total I have 12 ones. Now I need to deduct 5 ones from 12 ones. And how much am I left with? Let's see that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What do I have? 7 ones. So I'll write it under ones place. Now let's go to tens place. I have 0 tens and I need to deduct 2 tens. Is it possible? Not possible. And now what do? I'll regroup hundreds. I have 100 here, and when I regroup it, I'm not left with any 100, but I get 10, 10. Yes? So I'll have 10, 10. So total how many tens do I have? 10. And I need to deduct 2 tens. When I do that, how many tens am I left with? You are right. I'm left with 8 tens. Now I'll move to hundreds place. Do I have any 100? No, I don't have. So after discount, how much am I supposed to pay to the shopkeeper? I need to pay 87 rupees. Yes? Now this was the number representation. Now let me show you how do we represent numbers using different manipulatives. Come with me. Okay. So now when I talk about manipulative, it is mainly used to represent numbers, to quantify numbers. So you can use anything. You can use counters, you can use candy sticks, or you can use anything that you have at home like spoons, potatoes. I have one more strategy, the strategy of colors. So if I say one green candy represents 100. One orange candy represents 110 and one pink candy represents 1. Now, suppose I want to represent a number, how do I do it using different manipulative? Let's see that. I have a number 234. So this is 234. Let's see how will I represent this number using yellow blocks. So what do I have? I have 200. So I have 2 blocks, 100 and 200. 234. What is this telling me? 30 is my 3 tens. So what do I have? 3 tens with me. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones do I have? 4 ones. So I'll have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now when I talked about colors, what did I say? One green candy represents 100. And here how many hundreds do I have? 200. So I'll have 2 green candies. So this represents 200. How many tens do I have? 3 tens, and 1 orange candy represents 1 10. So I'll have 3 orange candies. 1, 2, 3. So this is 30. And how many ones do I have? 4 ones. And my pink color represents 1 1. So I'll have 4 pink candies to represent 4 ones. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is how I represent 234 in different ways, using yellow blocks and using the strategy of colors. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.